Hey y'all, Jen here, your favorite content creator's favorite content creator. I am here to show you how I turned this to this to this in like 5 minutes or less. So first and foremost, you're going to go into the Enlight Quick Shot app. You're going to export your photo or import your photo in there. At the bottom, you're going to see sky. Choose the sky that you want. Then I'm using the brush, the erase brush, to show you where you would erase. Now I actually want to put more sky in. So you choose the other brush and then you just paint it on where you want the sky to be. So I just keep brushing, 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 brushing until it looks kind of like what I want it to look like. Then after that, there are other options. You can change the opacity, the ambiance, whatever it may be. I typically just leave. So to get the sky moving, my little trick, I hit the screen record on my phone. I go back into the app, or you can always stay into the app. You hit your screen record, and then the slider where the sky is, you just keep sliding it slowly or fast, however you want. It's going to screen record. Once you're done with that, stop your screen record, then go into your, if I have an iPhone, so I can just edit it right into my iPhone video editor. And that is where I will crop out all the parts that were grabbed from the screen record. And I also trim the video so that way it's not too long and it's also not showing where the screen record, started and things like that. And boom, you have a moving sky photo and you didn't have to use Photoshop or do anything particular. Please note, it's not going to be the highest quality, but again, quick, easy, 5 minutes, fun, something different to put on your Instagram. So if you guys like this video, please, please, please go ahead, like, subscribe, share, leave comments, whatever it may be. I'm really trying to grow this channel and I'm sharing all of my secrets. So please do go ahead and thank me by liking or subscribing.